Ernie. Ernie's protecting all this gold that's on the seafloor. Anybody comes along and they try to steal Ernie's gold, well, he's going to spear them with that thing he's got on his head. And he's protected the Titanic for over 100 years. Almost exactly 100 years. It's very close to it. And somebody wants to steal that gold. Yep, you can make any kind of magnet you want. If you wanted to, you could make a magnet look like a square with a north there and a south there and a north there and a south there. You could, if you wanted to, you could make it like a big bar with north, north, south, north, south, north, south. You can make them any way you want. Today we're going to be using magnets that look like this. They're north on one side and south on the other. Will brass stick?
No, probably.
It's metal.
No. It won't stick. Nope.
Doesn't stick. So right now, there's norths on this side and souths on that side, and they come together all around the outside edges and around the hole in the middle a little bit. And if you try to grab something with it, like, a steel plate, you can see it wiggles the plate a little. You can put it right on the plate, and it's strong enough to lift the plate that way, just barely. But we want to find some way to make this real strong. And you guys are going to be using these kind of magnets, and we'll give you stuff to try and see how strong it is. But we're going to give each group a scale and a bracket, a bunch of magnets, and a bunch of other stuff. And then you see if you can find some way to make the magnet stronger than it is. Try pulling on it and see if you can make the scale wiggle.
2 to 150.
Ah, we're giving you a second magnet. See if that helps out. Oh, look. They're already making sandwiches. Oh, wow, that was fast. How come the older kids didn't do that?
What?
See what he's doing right there?
He hit 2,000.
We're going to give you some magnets that come out of computer hard drives. They're neodymium magnets. If you get your finger between the magnet and a piece of steel, you'll get a blood blister. You get extra points if you get a blood blister, but they hurt a lot.
What are points?
Points? It's what you get when you hurt yourself. If you do a good blood blister and you do a good ooh-ah dance, you can get some extra points for the dance too. When you're putting the magnet on the bracket, it's best to slide it on, like that. Leave a little hanging over the edges. And then you're going to pull on the magnet, not on the bracket, and see if this magnet is any stronger than the ones that you had. Here, I'll pull against you. Pull harder, harder, keep pulling. Wow, 5,000. Nice shooting, Tex. We'll put the weight on the bathroom scale.
That one on.
Okay, we're going to try this. This is an old-fashioned magnet. It's not as strong as the new guys, but somebody put them together in rows. There's like what, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of magnets.
Iron.
It's made out of aluminum nickel iron magnets, and it was used in a machine shop to pick up pieces off the floor. Let's see if it will lift a 25-pound weight. There's 20 pounds, 15, 10, 5, 0. Aha! Picks up a 25-pound weight.